Welcome to Working with Watson. This here's my little ghoul over here. So, good morning, good afternoon, whichever class period you are in. I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of directions of what to expect today. Should look very familiar, gonna be short, gonna be quick, so make sure you watch the whole video though to make sure you have everything you need. As you saw, we're going to be finishing up the prehistoric slides today. So if you go back to your prehistoric era slideshow, you will be going to, if it ever loads, the last slide, okay, to fill in that information. So the prehistoric Ice Age animal that you have is located on the stream. That has the animal, it has your partner, it has yeah, those two things. That's it. That's just the two. Just those two. No extras. That's Lydia's fault. She made me mess up.
That was Dad's fault.
That's Lydia's fault. So
Dad's fault.
Just know, on the stream, your partner and your animal. When you are researching, you can find stuff together. But each one of you will need to complete your own slide, and you will also need to complete your own sketch. Remember, on your sketch, take your time. Really put in the effort. You did a good job yesterday. Make sure to keep that up for the stuff today. Okay. Same information you're looking up. This time it's just with the prehistoric animal. The time period will be we already know, we talked about it, will be the Cenozoic era. If you want to get more detailed than that, you can if you have time. The years ago, again, we know we're only talking between 2.5 million to 11,700 years ago. Not that long ago. Carnivore, omnivore, herbivore, we know that. Defenses, I know we had some troubles with that yesterday. If you spend some time on that, you might have to do some extra reading on there. Size, you're going to probably find most of them aren't nearly as big as those dinosaurs you found, but they're also probably going to be bigger than some of the real small dinosaurs you found too. What are you doing? So, this is being interrupted by videos, just so you know. And then the closest living relative today, I think you'll probably find more of those than you did with the dinosaurs just because they're closer in time to us than the dinosaurs were. So spend some time on that. You know what to do on the picture, find a realistic one. Again, on the sketch, take your time, make sure it looks real, as real as you can, and you'll do great. So again, check out the stream for your partner and your work, and take the time, do well, have a great day, and make sure to comment on this video, add a comment on the stream when you see this video, now that you've seen the end of it, and make sure to tell Lydia hi. Okay, and then I'm going to read her who said hi to her and who didn't. So if you didn't, I'm going to know, and then I'm going to, you're going to hear from me maybe Thursday, Friday. So, again, take your time, do well today. Don't rush things just because I'm not there. I expect you to do a really good work since I'm not there. Okay? Peace. Bye.
Bye.